Hey guys, Jordan here. In this video, I'm going to be answering a real estate photography question. So let's get into it. All right, so today's question is, which drone is enough for starters and which one are you using? All right, let me grab them. All right, so for starters, this is, and budget's an issue because usually when you're starting, you don't have a bunch of revenue and a lot of money to go out and buy whatever gear that you want. To get by, the Mini 2, this is a great drone and it performs very well. Honestly, I really like this drone. Like for what it packs a punch for the form factor size. That being said, if you're brand new to drone photography, there are no obstacle avoidance features, which I actually like. But if you're new and you're nervous and you're getting close to obstacles, obviously just stay away from obstacles if you're using this because there are no obstacle avoidance sensors. And which one am I using? So I actually use both of these drones. This is my go-to for like professional shoots. It is the Air 2S, which is really reasonably priced for what you get. The 20 megapixel 1-inch sensor. Anyway, so that's my go-to. I also have other drones, the Air 2, which is a great option, a little cheaper. But if you have the extra money, I would go for the Air 2S. The FPV I don't really recommend that for daily use. Maybe for like a creative shot. That's it. You know, if budget's an issue and maybe even the Mini 2 is out of your budget, you can find a used Mavic Air on eBay for pretty inexpensive. In my opinion, the Mini 2 is a very comparable quality-wise to the Mavic Air 2, and we used those professionally for years, and it's a great option as well. So that also shoots 4K. You can pick one of those up used on eBay. So anyways, that is it for the drone recommendations. If you're interested in learning more about the real estate photography business, you can check out my free workshop. Link is in the description below. If you got value out of this video, make sure to hit the like button. And if you have any other questions, real estate photography related, leave them below. And I just might make a video like this on your questions. So anyways, that's gonna do it. Reach out if you have any questions. See you guys on the next one.